They don't use their emotions to determine who they should follow, but they recognize that the most important principle that they follow is basically the principle of the Lord Almighty. What was he saying? الذي فطرني. And why should I not worship the one that had created me, that had created me in a pure nature? Because I recognize وَإِلَيْهِ تُرْجَعُونَ, because I recognize that our return is going to be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So what should I do? I basically stand firm. In other words, what is the most important thing about manhood is when he is actually firm, he's actually considering the principles, he's recognizing that the principles are supposed to be the areas of leadership, and it's not an issue of our own whims. It's the principle that guides.